I work as a chief engineer at a pharmaceutical plant in Irkutsk. Last year we decided to master the production of a new product, herbal throat medicine. We bought equipment for the production of tablets, organized the production site for the production of tablets, for the treatment of throat diseases, and began the procedure of obtaining the necessary documents for product certification. In pharmaceutical production, it is important to control the quality of raw materials and finished medicines. Our enterprise carries out a number of experimental tests, researches with the help of different laboratory equipment before drug launching. We faced the necessity of single production of experimental batches of tablets, since we needed a small number of tablets to analyze the popularity of the drug among buyers and obtain the necessary documents for certification of the drug. We decided to buy a compact unit of tablet press. A tablet press is a type of pharmaceutical equipment that is used to process industrial batches of tablets by pressing tablet mass in molds. In addition to laboratory presses, there is a large variety of tablet press equipment: rotary tablet presses, hydraulic and pneumatic models of tablet presses. I was looking for a tablet press that was as efficient as possible, safe for the operator, made of durable material, with a capacity of 1,000 tablets per hour. The machine had to be compact in overall dimensions and easy to operate. Our pills we planned to produce in white, in the form of a ring. The first thing I did was to contact the supplier of the tablet and capsule press we had on hand. The quality and performance of the machine we had was satisfactory, so we decided to consider this manufacturer. I found out the phone number of the company in the sales department and contacted the manager. The specialist who spoke to me told me that this tablet press for laboratory research had been discontinued last year. I started my search for tablet press with the confidence that I would immediately find the necessary equipment from other manufacturers. However, the task was not as easy as it seemed at first glance. I decided to look and compare the manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I searched through the internet. I chose by territory, delivery time, price category. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but asked for a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen options because of the high cost, and would send me on a second search. I then looked for a pellet press from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 5 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced until 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months didn't satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on a translator, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of buying a pellet press on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea of what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. I chose several intermediaries on the internet, 1 from China, and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites, the length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I would be confident, who will deliver to me automatic dispensing equipment within the specified time. I decided to look at the last option, a company from Moscow. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the site of the company, modern, structured, lots of equipment videos. I called the manager and told him that I wanted to buy a tablet press with a capacity of 1,000 tablets per hour for trial production of tablets. The company specialist suggested me a tablet press that was popular with customers and pressed tablets of various shapes and sizes, including ring-shaped ones. The manager emailed me a video of the equipment with the characteristics of the laboratory tablet press. I studied it. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and 1 week later we signed a contract for the delivery of a laboratory tablet press. The machine was delivered within the specified time. The equipment was covered with transparent plastic shields to eliminate any influence on the pressing process. Powder mass was poured into a matrix, where the press was used to form a ring-shaped tablet. The long body punch is the upper punch and is installed in the upper part of the press. The punch with the short body and long working part is the lower one and pushes the tablets out of the die. We remained a laboratory tablet press, recommended and supplied by a company manager from Moscow. It was nice to find out that we had many mutual acquaintances. I realized that I made the right choice of a professional to supply the equipment. Real professionals pay attention to detail, and I was lucky to find such a person when selecting equipment.